diamond sharpening, just to show you scissor demonstration, semi-convex, or these are actually convex. Open Sensu Japan scissors seem really nice. Don't cut very good. I already tried. So they cut sometimes at the tips. You can get them. Yeah, you can get them to cut. Yeah, work them. But there we go. We'll sharpen these up, and they'll be way sharper. All right, let's go to the sharpener. There we go. Nice and easy. Go ahead and light this up. Very nice, guys. Doesn't get much better than that. Thanks. Keep it sharp, keep it looking good, keep these scissors coming in. I love when I see new scissors. Yeah, makes me happy. Alright, see you later.